If your window locks are a pain to open or close because they're all gunked up with dirt or rusty from corrosion, you're not alone, and fixing it is way easier than you think. So, first off, grab some warm, soapy water and a soft brush or old toothbrush to scrub away any dirt or grime stuck on the lock. Don't just spray stuff on and walk away. Give it a good scrub, you know? After cleaning, dry everything thoroughly because moisture can make the corrosion worse. Next, hit the lock with a lubricant made for metal parts, like silicone spray or graphite powder. Avoid using oil-based lubricants like WD-40 as they can attract more dirt over time. Spray or apply just a little, then wiggle the lock back and forth to work the lubricant inside. If the lock is really stuck because of rust, gently tap it with a rubber mallet or use a rust remover product before cleaning and lubricating. Finally, try to keep your windows and locks clean regularly so they don't get stuck in the first place. A quick wipe down every few months can save you a headache. One of the biggest mistakes people make with window locks is ignoring the problem until it gets bad enough to break. If you wait, corrosion and dirt buildup become way harder to fix. Another common issue is using the wrong lubricant, like oil-based sprays that just attract dust and grime, making things worse over time. Last but not least, not drying the lock after cleaning can leave moisture inside, speeding up corrosion. The fix? Act early when you notice stiffness. Always use proper lubricants like silicone spray or graphite powder, and make sure everything is dry before closing up. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid resource for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors for all kinds of home repairs, including window lock fixes. It also helps contractors connect with people who need their skills, making it easier for everyone to get the job done right without the stress.